Cars are changing. They're getting more expensive, more features, more hybrid, more ugly. So me and my friends decided to buck that trend and go out and buy cheap 3-litre 6-cylinder engined cars. We gave ourselves a budget of $3,000 and after many minutes of searching on TradeMe, we acquired our mechanical masterpieces and drove to the meeting place. And I was the first to arrive. Behold the excellence of the vehicle that I have purchased. This is a 2003 Honda Accord V6. It's a one-owner car. It has a full Honda service history. Even better to that, it is the top spec model with the leather interior, with the Mugen body kit and the Mugen exhaust. And most importantly, it costs less than $3,000 and has a 3-litre V6 under the bonnet. I think I've made an excellent choice. Then Campbell arrived in a BMW 530i. Yes. See, now that...
I've done this properly.
You have?
People always ask, how cheap can you get a BMW for? Well, $2,700.
$2,700?
An entire sedan.
An entire car?
Leather heated, electronically adjustable and memory seats.
Wow.
One owner for the past while. 3-litre inline 6.
Well, don't worry about that. Yeah, ignore the curved wheels and there's nothing to see here. Look at the state of it. It's excellent in every regard. Would you not agree? We have done this properly.
Yes.
We have been wise. We have been smart.
Thought this through.
Yes. And then Toby turned up and he had not been very smart.
Is that a stolen car?
Yes, he's stolen it. Where'd you pick this up from? An underground car park? It cost you $10 for the spanner that you used to open the door, another $5 for the flathead screwdriver.
Is it a key? Or
That is not a key. You have stolen this. You have not bought this. You have stolen it.
I swear I bought it.
The New Zealand police, if you're watching, this might be stolen.
See, it's key.
That is not. Did you buy it for less than $3,000 and does it have a 3-litre engine?
Yes.
Well done.
Thank you.
You have purchased a vehicle. Doesn't mean it's good, but it's a vehicle.
It is.
And finally, Jack arrived in a stolen Subaru Legacy.
It's me.
Oh no, a drug dealer is here. What have you bought? You've bought a vape-mobile.
Yes.
Yes.
It's only had 11 owners.
11.
It's got a full book of no service history. The bumper's falling off.
Yes, because it's all full of drugs.
Yeah.
It's been used to hide drugs and smuggle them into the country.
Yeah. From,
yes. What type?
Fuji
Marijuana?
Crack. At least the bulbs are held in by my sister's hair ties.
Am I right in saying that it sounds like it's knocking?
A little bit. Sticking.
That fog light doesn't work.
You don't need those.
No, you don't need that.
The trip computer doesn't work.
You don't need that.
No. And it's the loudest car in the world.
But it's also the best.
Is it?
It is.
Wow.
Is it?
It is.
So with our cars obtained, it was time to start the scoreboard for who had bought the best $3,000 3-litre car. So moving on to the first challenge, price. I bought my car for $3,000. What did you purchase your car for, Campbell?
$2,700.
Oh, there we go. What did you purchase your car for? 2,000. I can see why. And
2,800.
2,800. Year.
04.
2003.
2003.
2001.
Kilometres. My car has done 128,000.
Is that all?
That is all.
I just hit 174.
174. And how many have you done, Campbell?
264,000.
And how many have you done, Toby?
303,000.
303,000 kilometres. It's nearly been to the moon. Power.
There's a reason.
Jack, how much power do you have?
I have 180 kilowatt or 242 horsepower.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
Well, you can't, because this is the best. My car has more power.
but it doesn't. How much power do you have?
177.
But it's less than 180.
No, it isn't.
Well, it is.
It just isn't.
Even Dragonfly's like my car.
You have
170 exactly.
170 exactly, and you have...
I don't know the kilowattage, but it's 220 horsepower.
Which I believe is...
160-ish.
I think it's 157 kilowatt was what I searched.
Was that all?
Yes. Either way, it's the least. How much torques do you have?
297 newton meters.
That is many. How many torques do you
I think
have?
it's 300 exactly.
Oh, I have 287, and you have...
A lot.
I think it's 288. Fuel economy. This is an interesting one because I went on Google previously and the Alteza had, in theory, the best fuel consumption.
Yes, it does.
But
far.
that is a lie because
No,
you
no.
get like about 300 k's to a tank.
350. 17 litres per 100 k's. That's good. That's pretty good.
It isn't. So the Legacy does 13.3 litres per 100k. That is awful. But my Accord does 11.8, which is still awful, but not as bad. The 530i does 12.7. And the Altezza does 11.2,
Yes, give
which
me the
is
points.
the biggest lie in all of human history. Campbell, what is the safety rating of your...
4 stars.
Which
Airbag.
is the most preferable to have an accident with?
Probably the steering wheel one.
Yes,
But you do have them in all 4 doors.
Wow.
Give them to your knees.
No.
Bother.
You don't need
Do
them.
you have them for your knees? Or do you have any at all? Or have they all already been blown because it's been stolen?
No, I
and
have many.
Do you? How many?
I don't know. It says airbag.
There's
on the
so
side.
many you don't know how many
Yes,
you have.
there's so many I can't count them.
The whole car is an airbag.
Yeah, it is.
The whole car is stolen, that's what it is. My car and your car are both 3 stars.
Yeah, I don't
So I
even
did
know
some
what-
previous research on that. And your car is...
I believe it's 2.
Ooh. So not only is it the most stolen car in all of human history, but
But
it's
you're
also
most
the
likely
most
to die.
deadly. Boot space. Now the Altezza can claw some space back. Obviously he's the only wagon and he has like 630 litres of boot space, so you get 4 points. The 530i has 530 litres, which I find incredibly ironic, so you get 3 points. My one has about 480 litres, so I get 2 points, and your car has about 410, so you get 1 point.
Yeah, but mine's the fastest, so it makes up.
You'll get to the destination fastest, but you won't be able to carry anything in it.
Yeah, but you can get back and forth faster to get more than you could in that.
So
You can
do
get
2
more drugs than any of the
I
rest
can
of
do
us.
2 trips faster than you can do 1, so it doesn't matter.
Can you?
I can.
With an extra 3 kilowatt and 10 newton meters. Features. I wrote out the features that we're going to test here. Xenon headlights, fog lights, leather seats, electric seats, heated seats, dual zone climate, auto lights, auto wipers, trip computer, traction control, sunroof. Campbell, your car has all of those except a sunroof.
Yes.
Well, then you get 4 points.
Yes. They all work apart from the cruise control. And the xenon lights are absolutely useless.
I have fog lights, leather seats, electric seats, trip computer, traction control, and a sunroof.
You have 6. Okay, that would be next, so that'll be 3 points. I, out of those, have fog lights, leather seats, half electric seats, because the passenger side is not electric, traction control. Oh, and dual zone climate, so that's 4.5 features. And how many of those features do you have, Toby?
I have fog lights.
Yes,
I've got electric seats.
yes,
Auto lights.
yes,
And traction control.
yes. And you have half
Half
leather
leather
seats.
seats,
Okay,
yes.
so I'll give you half for that, so it puts you on 2 as well. And so, with the BMW's lead firmly in hand, it's time to close off the first episode of our $3,000 3-litre challenge. Tune in next week where we find out whose car is the fastest.